Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today to see what I am up to. I have a fun video. I have my Ipsy and this is my Open Studios for September. So this is a spoiler alert, so if you don't want to know what you could be getting in your bags for September, then don't watch now, watch after. I would love for you to watch though. I have not even opened this. Big thank you to Ipsy for so kindly including me every month in your Open Studios program. And when you open the box, it says discover yourself. We'll do a little peek here. Whoops, card fell out. And let's see what we have for September. Get this foam out of the way. I saved the foam. It's great to repurpose and use in my giveaways. I would assume the theme this month for September 2021 is back to, whether that be school, work, or life. Shows it right there. And this card does not have any information on it. It's just, you know, for the Open Studios program. Let's get right in. This looks like the bag for September. Kind of cute. Right here. Doesn't have Ipsy on it anywhere. I don't see Ipsy on it anywhere. Oh, on the little tag. That's really cute. So let's see what we have in the glam bag, which is $12 each month. And the first two items are masks. And these are from eNature. This is Sika Herb. And this is a skin relief facial mask, soothing and softening for all skin types. Right there. And this one is Squeeze Green, a watery sheet mask. And this is also your skin refresh, moisturizing and refining for all skin types. In the glam bag, okay, not a problem. If that was in my plus, only getting two, then I have a problem. So we have a product from Tatcha, and this is probably a moisturizer. Good size. That looks like it's a pretty full tube. Happy to have that. Tatcha is wonderful. I have a few of her products. And this is Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. I think we had gotten something, maybe not this brand, similar type product in the past. It is a little weird to use a scalp scrub, but it's so invigorating, and you can see here, it is like the sugar like scrubs, lip scrubs. It's going to get everywhere. Let me see if I can get that lid back on. I cannot, so we're not going to mess with that right now. It definitely feels weird. It's a weird process to put that in your hand and get in there and just rub. That smells nice. Rub it in your scalp and just clean your scalp, especially after the summer months. You know, it's warm outside, you know, your head gets sweaty and stuff like that. It's definitely nice, and I cannot get that back on, so we'll play with that later. Next item that I received from Benefit, this is Bad Girl Bang. Bad Gal Bang. This is their mascara. Let's show you the tube. I love tubes like this, just because perfect size for me. I don't generally like the full tubes. Too wasteful for me, so happy to have that. And the last item that I got is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I cannot read the shade on the bottom. It's so small. But let's see what the color is right there. And I'll just show you. That's the amount of lip that you get, lipstick that you get. That's a nice shade. Okay, happy to have that. So we got a lipstick, a mascara, a cream moisturizer, the scalp scrub, and then two face masks, which is nice. And this bag is adorable. Once again, you could use this as like a little mini clutch to go out, run errands, things like that. And let me just put this back here until I can get the cap on better. And then let's see what we have in my plus. I don't know where to start, so let's start here. And this is from, I would assume the brand is Up Circle. And this is a face scrub made with repurposed coffee grounds. Arabica coffee grounds sourced from artisan coffee shops. Buff away dry dead cells to leave you feeling soft, smooth, and glowy. Blended with shea butter to nourish the skin post scrub. I guess it's not. Oh, it says face on it. You know, if you need it on your elbows or somewhere, you can use it. It's yours. Use it how you see fit. But it's a good, nice face scrub, and that's a good size. That is 3.5 fluid ounces or 100 ml. Like that. I do like a face scrub as long as it's more on the gentle side. Let's see what this is from, and this is one that I won't use, and this is from Nina, N-E-N-A, and this is a clay mask, detox and tighten, and this is powered by Canadian glacial clay. That sounds interesting. This is what this looks like. I have to be so careful with clay. Any kind of clay mask, it dries my skin out horribly. I don't know if it... I'll have to read to see, you know, with skin types. The next thing that I have is from Uoma Beauty. And this is a liquid eyeliner. Okay, and this says blacker than black, y'all. Y'all. Cannot get that southern slang in there. I'm not from the South, so I love when I hear people, you know. Cleopatra ink. I will save that for a giveaway. I don't wear black. If that was a different color, maybe. And then, I have one of these, so let me... Where's the way to open this? This is from Sunday Riley Good Jeans. Don't know if I'll keep this as a backup or if I'll share it. So this is what this is right here. Multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment rapidly exfoliates and boosts naturally youthful radiance. This stuff is phenomenal. It is expensive. I love Sunday Riley. Title is my all-time favorite. CEO is pretty good. I like Good Jeans. Fell in love with this brand, getting samples from Ipsy Glam Bag and nice glass jar. So I don't know. I have one and I don't use this all the time. So maybe I'll share this. You never know. And then real fast before I get to the last product, here's the satchel for the Plus. Once again, adorable. I love it. They've been getting, some months are like, really cute. And then the last product, which I'm impressed with, and I use Il Makiage mascaras and foundation. I never shop around on sites when I'm going for something specific like foundation or liners. Here is a palette from Il Makiage. And I don't know if that has a Color Boss Squad, the real deal. Let's open this up. Oh, I'm excited for this. Ooh. Shiny, so let's hold that down. How does this open? Oh, it just pops up. Nice mirror. Look at that. And it has some weight to it. Beautiful. Perfect for fall. I really do like that a lot. I shopped Il Makiage liners and foundation, but I really don't. If I'm going to a site for something specific like foundation and the liners and stuff, I tend not to like look around too much. I might have to check out some of their palettes. So real fast, so we'll tell you, so September was back to school, work, life, whatever applies to you. So here's a, I don't want to tilt, the final look. I wanted to tell you, I saw a post from Ipsy, and I don't know if it was Insta or if it was on Twitter, that for the October glam bags that Huda Beauty is going to be in there. So if you're interested in Huda Beauty, sign up now and get in so that you can, get products. I have no idea what they're going to be. I just saw that and was excited. And I also wanted to tell you, if you sign up using my link, I do get points. and I save those points up, and then I always purchase a palette from their store with the points, and then I use it in a giveaway. I do a specific giveaway. I don't like throw it in my big giveaways. I'll do, like when I do an Ipsy unboxing or unbagging, when I get that product or those products that I get, I do a giveaway immediately. If it's a palette, I'll throw some like a brush set in with it from my stash, and then, you know, do a giveaway. So if you sign up using my link, that's what I do with the points. I don't keep them for myself. I always put it right back. So tell me what you thought about these spoilers. I think these bags are going to be good for September. I'm excited to see what I will get in my bags. I will still do my Ipsy versus Ipsy and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus that I get every month anyway. I hope you all enjoyed this spoiler video. Don't forget to sign up if you're interested in the Huda Beauty products for October. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.